Hello students, welcome to class 4, subject English text, story on top of the world. Today I am going to explain you the worksheet. And that topic first is simple past tense. Now students, what is the meaning of simple past tense? Now, simple past tense means an action that is done or completed in the past time is called an past tense. It means the action that you have done previous. It means yesterday you have done and that action is completed. Okay, so that we call past tense. Here examples you will see. I did my homework. It means that already you have done your homework yesterday. Okay, next example, we played basketball last Sunday. Now it means that you have played basketball last Sunday. Previous Sunday it means. So the action that you have done in past time, it means previous you have done, that we call simple past tense. And in simple past tense, we are adding ed to the main verb. Now, here is, am, are, is, was, these all are the helping verb. But main verb means action, whatever you are doing, like play, eat, read, dance. These all are the main verb. Now, with main verb, we are adding ed in simple past forms. Example here given, change plus ed, so it will happen changed. Next, discover plus ed, so it will become discovered. Next, start, with start plus ed, it will become started. Next, reach plus ed, it will become reached. Next, now these type of verbs, now such type of verbs are called regular verbs. Change, discovered, started, reached. Okay, these all verbs are called regular verb because that ends with ed. But some verbs in English do not form their past tense form in regular way. Some verbs are there that not adding with ed, that some verbs are slightly it is different from their past forms. Now let's see the example. Yes, now here you can see in simple present tense and simple past. Now in simple present it is given become, and in past tense it is happening became. Now here we have not adding ed, slightly changing. Okay, so become o, instead of o it came a, became. Next example you can see begin. So past tense it will come began. Okay, I change into a. Find, find happen found. Okay, then get, got. So here you have saw that some verbs are slightly different from their present forms. So this type of verbs are called irregular verbs. The past tense form of irregular, okay, this is called irregular verbs. Now you will see continuous tense, present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Now present continuous tense means if we are talking about action, whatever action just now going on, I am giving example of mine and your. Now what I am doing, I am explaining you. Okay, so the action continuity is going on present time and your action is what there to listen. Okay, so to do in a present time, that action is going on, that we call present continuous tense. And past continuous means the action that you have done previous, yesterday you have done. Okay, so that we call past continuous tense. And how it will come, with am, is, are plus verb will be there, and with that ing will be there. If ing will be there, then you can come to know it is a continuous tense. And how you will come to know present continuous tense, it means the action you are going on with is, am, are. Okay, it is present continuous tense. And with was, were, it is past form. And with verb we are adding ing. Now let's see the examples. First you see the examples of present continuous tense. I am playing, it means you are playing just now. Then the guests are leaving. Maria is eating her lunch. Now here am, playing, are living, is eating. It's showing that action it is going in present time. Now examples of past continuous tense. You see, I was playing in the ground. It means yesterday you were playing in the ground. Next, they were writing a story book. It means they were writing a story book in a past time. Next example, he was reading all day. It means yesterday or day before that he was reading whole day. Thank you.